Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to book a flight in the EasyJet application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the book button at the bottom of the page. So first you have to select your departure airport, and then you have to select your destination airport. Oh, and you can also set if you want a one-way trip or a return trip. So first you have to select a departure date. And then you have to select a returning date as well. And then you have to select the number of adults that you're traveling with, and in this application it's all the 16-year-olds and above. And then you have to also set the number of children, and if an infant is traveling with you, then that. And if you're done with everything, just click on the show flights button. And as you can see, there's a one flight available to those parameters that you give. And here's the price, and here's the flight number. So you can just click on that. And as you can see, there are three seats left at this price. So if you want this, now you can select it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.